I've been waiting to try this out for ages. I've just upgraded from the Session. I had the GoPro Session 4 and I've had that for years. I haven't really used GoPros or any sort of action cams for a while. I've been hearing a lot about different people's opinions on the 9, whether or not to upgrade from the 8 and things like that, and I was considering getting the 8, but I thought I'd take the leap and get the 9 just to show you how it works, and we can sort of enjoy this experience together, considering I haven't had a high quality action cam for a while. So at first glance, we've got the package it comes in. It's very minimalistic, so I'm guessing everything's inside this box. They've tried to like basically excrete every piece of plastic to do with packaging. So I've ordered the special bundle, which comes with like a grip and all sorts. So let's take a look into it. As I say, very minimalistic. Wow. Okay, it comes really neatly packed within this case. Everything seems to have like its own little place, and it's all sectioned off. Right, so with this bundle I got a 32GB memory card. I had the choice to upgrade, but I've been looking around online. You can actually find the memory cards cheaper for larger amounts of storage. This one's only 32, so with the camera you get a little clamp. Ooh. You get a little clamp, so it's quite a solid clamp. I'm guessing it's to go on like a helmet, or I can guess a car window or something like that, anything. It comes with 2 GoPro batteries. I've heard the battery life on these are actually quite good, but if you're doing things like POV photography or long vlogging with a GoPro, I'd suggest getting a battery pack, so you can just plug your camera straight in, you can shoot all day long. But these are handy if the battery pack was to run out. Little attachments like these to go in and slot inside the grip. We have 2 little screws for attaching them to the grips. A 3M sticker grip. We've only received 1 of these. We got a sort of like a floaty grip for vlogging or anything like that. Elastic handle, adjustable strap. Yeah, I'm guessing this is a float, sort of like a float. It feels like a float, but it's just a grip, an action grip. Finally, we have camera itself. This all comes all stickered up and looking fresh. It's bigger than I thought it would be. It's quite a chunky feeling camera. It's got a little bit of weight to it. I'm actually curious to feel what it's like with the batteries in it as well, if it adds much to the weight. I just wanted to let you guys know that this isn't going to be an in-depth review. I'm not going to tell you all the specs. I'm literally going to open it up, put it together, go out, take some photos. It's snowing outside today, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out, I'm going to do some POV photography with my fiance and her 2 little girls. We're going to go and have a walk round to the field. So basically what you can do is check out the quality of the camera. What we've also got is we've got a front LCD screen, so you can view yourself while you're vlogging or things like that, so you can adjust where you are in the frame. That's one thing that I found with the Session. You had to have the app to find out what you're looking at. That wasn't a great thing about the Sessions. It's crazy how GoPro have only just caught up with this, considering that other action cams have been doing the front LCD screen for much longer. So let's take it out of this plastic wrap. Look at that. So it looks very clean, minimalistic. And I love how they've upgraded this. They've integrated the actual grips in rather than having to buy an external cage now for the GoPros. Massive step. Obviously I'm talking from someone who's come from a Session which is quite old, so I can't really speak on behalf of GoPros or people who use GoPros often, but I think this is superb. It just folds away neatly into the bottom. I haven't watched too many videos on the GoPro. I've checked a couple out, but I'm still trying to figure it out myself. I'm going to load it up with the memory card, battery, literally turn it on, change a couple of settings, and I'm going to go and show you how this shoots. So catch you in a mo. So I'm filming in 5K, 24 frames per second. Just come out to the field to come get some snaps. Just want to test out the audio, test out the quality. Obviously I can't see all this myself unless I go on my phone, but I'm just going to wait till I get back, see how it all is on the computer. It's really nice out. So, from first impressions, I'm kind of liking the style of setup the GoPro's got. I'm liking the front and back LCD screen. You'll be able to see what's going on before you're filming. Obviously this is a big jump from the GoPro Session 4, so what I'm doing is I'm plugging my GoPro into my power bank to keep the battery charge. Obviously when you get it fresh out the box the batteries aren't fully charged, so I've literally just opened it, come out and started shooting. I've set my settings up. I'm filming 5K, 24 frames per second, hyper smooth. I haven't got it on maximum. I've only got it on medium. So if what you're seeing now isn't the smoothest footage that you get, it's one under. I'm shooting 100 megabytes per second. I'm shooting in a flat color profile. I'm not shooting in GoPro. I just want to color grade it myself, which I do with most of my footage. So I'm going to be putting it right through the test right now on quality with the white. There's so much white with the snow. If there's anywhere I think it would struggle, it would probably be now with the overexposure with the snow, but we'll check that out when we get back. Some quite nice trees and forestry going on.
Right, ready?
I'm going to walk up a bit further. So I picked this up for $329 with the big bundle and subscription. You pay yearly, you get unlimited GoPro Cloud, you get the memory card, you get obviously all the little accessories with it. Someone's been digging a hole. Oh, it's crazy that. It looks like someone's found like pots and stuff. One sec. Ready? So what I'm doing is I'm shooting on the 85mm 1.8 with the Sony A7 III. Yeah, come here, quick. Ready? Oh,
Thank you.
it's alright.
Oh, you have got all those snowballs on you. Have you seen them? That dogs get all these balls of snow?
Yeah, yeah. They build up in the fur, don't they?
Yeah.
Would you like me to take a picture for you and you can get it off us? I'll send it to you.
Yeah, that was
Yeah? Do you have Facebook?
Yeah.
If you type in Watermelon Media, and what we'll do is if you give us a message, I'll send you over the pictures.
Okay.
I'll get a quick pic for you.
Yeah, watermelon.
Look, come over here. Hey! Alright, LMA, move away a little bit. Psst, psst.
It's a boy. He's quite photogenic in the snow, isn't he?
Yeah.
I think black and white are rather lovely, don't they?
I've just got some wicked pictures, I'll send them through to you.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Brilliant.
Nice
Take care of yourselves.
Yeah, you too. Have a great time. Lady. Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye bye. What are you doing? Come on in.
What? Like it?
Beautiful. Come on.
I'll go look. Come on.
Hold on. Right, come on. All right.
Well, I'm not down that way.
There she is. Ruby.
Look at that one. 3, 2, 1.
And it stops there, with good reason. The 5K takes up so much data on your memory cards. You only get a 32GB with the camera itself in the bundle. I would recommend getting a bigger memory card and also shooting in less than 5K. 5K is not necessary. I was more showing you for the quality and what you're getting for your money pretty much. But my opinion in general is I think it's an absolutely great camera. The images from the video that come out of it are so clear and crisp. When you're going from something like a session 4, which I had, it's a massive upgrade. It's massive. Like, I haven't been through the generations from GoPro Hero 5, 6, 7, 8. I literally have jumped straight to the 9. Yeah, for someone who hasn't had this quality in a little action cam, then I would 100% recommend this camera. I was out shooting with this camera attached to a chest mount. I did forget to use the horizon setting where you can actually set the horizon on a flat level, so no matter where you're moving throughout the video, the whole image stays flat. I'm not overly fussed by that. I don't mind a bit of like shifting in my videos. So this camera can go down to recording 2.7K, which I would recommend for someone who's doing long time video recording, things like what I've just shown you, like POV photography. I didn't use my wind reduction because I find whenever I've used wind reduction on anything, it makes the audio go really tinny. I will test it out later on, figure it out, see if the GoPro does that as well, but I just wanted to show you the audio straight out of the box and I'm pretty happy with it. It sounds just as good as my Rode VideoMic Pro, so I will honestly say that these little tabs here seem really, if you use it too much it will break, if you know what I mean. I don't know, I'll test it out and I'll probably do another video later on letting you guys know how I'm getting on with it. I love the fact that you can change the lenses. Later on we'll be having wide angle lenses, lens mods and things like that. I will look at kitting this out. At the minute I'm just going to enjoy it for what it is, get the most out of it. I'm not going to go through any any settings or any details, start going through all the screen and that, there's plenty of videos out there. Go and check them out. I'm just going to show you from someone who hasn't really used GoPro a lot and then coming into the GoPro scene, shooting some POV photography, because this is why I bought this. I'm going to be releasing a lot more POV. I think this is a great investment, and now I've started using it, I don't think I can imagine myself not using it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it's been helpful for someone who has probably never used GoPro and is jumping into it. So if you've enjoyed this video, please don't be afraid to give a like, comment, let us know if you've got the same camera, let us know how you're getting on with it. I will soon have a camera rig video coming out showing you how I kit my camera rig out for video shoots and adverts and things like that, so you guys can get a better understanding of the equipment I use. Stay tuned to Watermelon Media and we'll have a lot more coming up. Take care, peace.